Most people assume billionaires grow their wealth through hidden tricks or secret strategies. But the truth is far simpler. A large part of their success comes from steady, disciplined methods that most regular investors never use. In this video, I am putting those same principles to the test to see whether everyday investors like us can grow our money the same way. Let's explore how these simple ideas can make a real difference. Investing like a billionaire might sound out of reach, but it's closer than most people think. These wealthy investors rely on habits that are basic, consistent, and easy to apply. Anyone can use them to shape a stronger financial mindset. Today, I'll break down these ideas so you can start building your approach with more clarity and confidence. Many people believe investing is something only the rich can afford. You may have heard people say you need a large amount of money to even begin, or maybe you've stayed away because investing looks risky or confusing. With all the noise from financial news and dramatic market stories, it's normal to feel unsure. But billionaire-style investing isn't about luck or complex predictions. It's about patience, discipline, and proven principles. The real challenge isn't your money, it's your mindset. Once that shifts, investing becomes much easier to understand and far less intimidating. What billionaires do differently isn't complicated. First, they diversify their investments, spreading money across different sectors to protect themselves from big losses. Second, they think long-term, choosing investments that grow over years instead of chasing quick wins. Third, they stay calm during market fluctuations, using those moments to find opportunity instead of panicking. And they constantly learn, whether through reading, research, or studying trends. This continuous growth helps them make better decisions over time. The mindset shift that truly changes everything is this: billionaires follow principles, not predictions. They don't waste time trying to guess where the market will move next. They buy strong companies, stay invested, and let compounding work quietly in the background. Wealth builds slowly but steadily. When you stop chasing fast results and start focusing on consistent progress, investing becomes clearer and more rewarding. Another powerful habit they follow is reinvesting their returns. Dividends, profits, and interest aren't taken out, they're invested again. This creates a compounding effect that accelerates growth year after year. Even small amounts can turn into meaningful results when allowed to grow over time. This simple habit forms the foundation of long-term wealth. Billionaires also avoid chasing trends that promise fast profits. They choose companies with strong fundamentals, stable leadership, and real long-term potential. Instead of reacting to hype or pressure from social media, they make choices based on research and patience. This helps them avoid emotional mistakes and focus on sustainable growth. Risk management is another key part of their approach. They never put all their money into one investment and always keep cash ready for new opportunities. When markets drop and others hesitate, they often invest more. This steady mindset not only protects their portfolios, but also allows them to grow faster during difficult times. Their portfolios are usually simple and intentional. Most billionaire portfolios include index funds, reliable stocks, and long-term positions. There's no need for complicated setups. They stay consistent, avoid overthinking, and let time do the work. People with small budgets can follow these same steps with the same discipline. They also understand that staying invested is more important than trying to time the market. They don't jump in and out based on fear or excitement. They trust that long-term growth will outpace short-term uncertainty. This patience is what separates their results from most everyday investors. Another key habit is how they handle mistakes. When something goes wrong, they study what happened, adjust their strategies, and move on. They don't treat losses as failures, but as lessons. This allows them to improve continuously and avoid repeating the same errors. They also keep themselves surrounded by information. Whether through financial reports, market research, or insights from other investors, they make sure they stay updated. This awareness helps them recognize opportunities early and avoid unnecessary risks. Automation plays a role as well. Many wealthy investors set up automatic contributions so their investments grow consistently without needing constant attention. This removes emotion from the process and builds long-term discipline. They also value strong networks. They stay in touch with other investors, share ideas, and learn from different perspectives, even if you don't have billionaire connections. Joining communities or groups can give you access to helpful insights and guidance. Most importantly, they treat investing as a lifelong journey. They don't expect overnight success. They stay committed, keep learning, and trust the process. This long-term mindset allows simple strategies to turn into powerful results over time. Billionaires also focus heavily on understanding market cycles. They know when to be patient during downturns and when to be aggressive during opportunities. Recognizing patterns and trends helps them make more informed decisions and reduces the chances of emotional mistakes. They often track their investments with meticulous attention. Monitoring performance regularly allows them to adjust without reacting impulsively. This consistent evaluation is a simple yet powerful way to avoid unnecessary losses and capture growth opportunities. Another subtle but effective strategy is mindset around money. Billionaires see money as a tool to create more wealth, not just as a number in a bank account. This mindset helps them take calculated risks that others might avoid, leading to larger rewards over time. Finally, they emphasize education, not just formal schooling, but continuous learning about finance, markets, and new investment ideas. By staying curious and informed, they maintain a competitive edge that allows them to grow their wealth steadily, year after year. So, to wrap everything up, the key is to diversify your investments, stay patient, reinvest your returns, remain calm during market changes, and stick to simple strategies that consistently work. These habits are the foundation of billionaire-style investing, and they're fully within reach for anyone willing to follow them. If you've tried any of these strategies, share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how you approach investing. And make sure to watch the next video on powerful wealth-building habits that can help you grow even faster.